famous Hainanese chicken. You can have it steamed, you can have it roasted. Brisket steak. First glance here at the Sky Park. Ayan guys, may bangka. Check natin how much. Good morning, Singapore. So today is our day 3 here in Singapore. So we are here at the bus station, Bencoolen, station exit B, in front of Bencoolen MRT station B. So look at that. So we're waiting for the bus going to where? Merlion. We're going to Merlion, guys. So we'll take a few pictures, and then after that, Gardens by the Bay, and then Marina Bay Sands. We're going to the observation deck, and then we'll be having our dinner at the Lau Pa Sat. Okay, we're gonna taste the very famous satay, right? So join us, guys, on today's adventure, and we'll see you later. Bye.
Guys, we are on the bus. Mommy said this on the bus go around.
Wow, look at that infrastructure, guys. First word, infrastructure. Esplanade presents a date with friends. Oh wow, we can almost see the Merlion there, you know, spitting water. And then syempre the very famous, guys, Marina Bay Sands. Later tonight we'll go there. Dito muna tayo sa baba for now. Good thing it's not too sunny today, huh?
Yeah, right?
Yeah.
That's a good thing. That's a good sign.
But since the weather here is very unpredictable, we do hope that it won't rain. So this is called Jubilee Bridge in celebration of Singapore's 50th year of independence, 2015. Wow. Oh, look at that. Take a good picture from here later. So reasonable amount of people there at the Merlion. So we're gonna take a few photos there. It's just right in front of the Fullerton Hotel there. So yeah, skyscrapers of Singapore. These are the buildings. So from here I'm seeing the DBS, HSBC, Bank of America, WeWork, MYP, Maybank. Here's the close-up look of the Merlion, guys. So Ulysses by the Merlion. It says there. Huge, huh? Of course, that's the view of the Marina Bay Sands. So this is their grandstand. This is where they are holding, you know, massive events. Plus this part, this is what they're using as their platform or the stage. It's just in front of the Marina Bay Sands, and then that's the Helix flyer. Oh, cool, huh? Oh, good. So closer look of the Helix Bridge, guys, going to the Marina Bay Sands. So guys, this is the Helix Bridge. Ganda ng pagkakagawa. Very, very detailed. Huh? Took lots of great minds for them to create a piece of art. So if you're here in Singapore, you really have to see this bridge, this infrastructure. One of the highlights, really. Logo. I think, is it? Let me check. Oh yeah, it's made of, you know, stainless steel, guys. Not sure if you could see it, but yung mga joints na, yung inner sections of the connections, very, very clean. Wala kang makitang dumi. my god, this is a very, very nice, luxurious mall. So this is what a first world mall looks like, guys. Hey guys, so we're here now at the food court area. So I'm scouting for food. So much choices. So many choices. So we're having a hard time choosing what to eat because sobrang dami and everything looks delicious. So it's very difficult to choose. Alright, I'll update you guys. Okay, so we're gonna order nasi lemak from this restaurant. It's called what? Yeah, Hondo? Hondo. Yeah, one nasi lemak. Okay, we got the leg part, guys. Oh, look at that. So many options to choose from. Everything really looks awesome and delicious. So, woo! Very famous Hainanese chicken. So I wasn't able to get that yesterday from Maxwell because I think they ran out of stock. So I won't miss this opportunity now to really taste it. So one of the goals that I have, you know, being here in Singapore or going here in Singapore is to taste that Hainanese chicken. So I'm not gonna let that pass. No, not today. So those are the choices. Very famous Hainanese chicken. So they have the steamed. You can have it steamed. You can have it roasted. Alright, so we're here at Odeon Beef Noodle. Wow, I find it very, very delicious, guys. So I want to try it. So I'll be getting the beef brisket steak bihon soup. That's for $11. Caleb is getting this nasi lemak. Very huge chicken. Hey boy. Hey. So this is what I'm having, guys. Steamed Hainanese chicken. Something that I missed yesterday from Maxwell, which I will do everything to taste it today. We also got beef brisket noodle, guys. So all set. Hey guys, so for everything it cost us $35.50. So that includes the Hainanese chicken, which is $8.90. The noodles 11, and then the nasi lemak that's $10.80, and then the two drinks that's $4.80. So that's $35.50. Good na din, diba? It's not really too bad. We're paying the same thing back in the Philippines, diba? So I could, yeah, so I can't say na it's very expensive, no. Siguro it's a matter of what food are you choosing. So ganun lang. Pero I mean, with these food that we've ordered, it's reasonable na for me. Alright guys, first bite of the brisket. Let's try. Super tender, super tasty. Oh my god, it's like really melting in your mouth. Good. And the thick noodles, very good. It's light, so it's actually a perfect balance of how tasty the beef is and then the lightness of the noodles. The soup, hindi siya ganun ka strong yung taste, but you would really know that it's a legit beef brisket noodle. Overall, I would give this a 9. Nakaka-addict siya. Next is the Hainanese chicken. So si wifey, she said that it's very yummy. So of course guys, a good Hainanese chicken must have a very tasty rice. So as we all know, it complements each other. So let's taste the rice na muna. No? Cheers. Very, very good yung rice, guys. Sobrang sarap. Parang paulit-ulit mo siya kakainin. Hindi ka mauumay. Sarap ng lasa ng rice, oh. Caleb, I want you to taste my rice. It's very good. A small one, small bite. and then tell me how good it is. What? Huh? Good, right? Okay, but it's good. Yeah. Alright, so let me taste the chicken, guys. But for that, okay, chicken, put some hot sauce. There you go. First bite of the chicken. Sarap. I mean, you would really know the the effort, the time they put to prepare this chicken. Hindi siya yung parang minadali yung lasa. It's subtle. The taste is subtle, but you would know na ang sarap niya. Yeah. So let's try this naman, guys. The nasi lemak. Try first the chicken. Chicken. Pure chicken now.
I have a crunchy for that.
Good. That's a different taste though. Very distinctive compared to sa Hainanese chicken. So, and then they have this parang shrimp paste nila. You put it together with your chicken and then rice here. One big bite. Super crunchy, man. Good.
I told you.
Alright guys, we're gonna eat now. And just after this, we're going to, where are we going? To the art museum.
Art museum. I get to draw whatever I want.
Sure. Alright guys. Canon is so excited! Are you excited?
Yuppie buppies.
Yeah, alright, but we need to ask them first. Okay. Alright. So imagine guys now, today they're offering free entrance for kids. So it's for senior citizens, students, person with disabilities. Right? Free for today. And that, oh, only for children. Yeah. And that costs $18. Imagine that. Guys, first glance here at the Sky Park. Oh, it's raining. It's raining, but look at that. It's very windy here. Hey guys, there's the super tree. That's the Garden Supply of the Day, I think, or no? Shipyard. So overcast today, guys. Medyo for sure flat yung magiging video natin ito. We'll try to edit it. Yeah, so we're here at the observation deck. That's the Merlion, you know, the small thing there. I don't think you'll be able to see it. Pero over there, guys, if you can see, over there, maaraw. Dito lang talaga, sa park na to. Whoa. And it's very windy here, so mahirap din may dala ka na umbrella. Check, Caleb, how much it costs to ride the boat? Yeah. Alright guys, the sampan ride, it's $13. But the next schedule is already 8:30, which is not possible. No, the next ride available, it's at 8:30 p.m. So we can't do it. Let's just watch them. Here. That's the earliest schedule, 8:30 p.m. So no. So there you go, guys. We're walking towards the bus station. And we're very lucky na merong kinakasal, guys. Sakto. Pupunta natin dito. So may wedding ceremony. For sure they're doing their prenup shoot. Nice. Congratulations. Caleb is getting $1 ice cream. Is that vanilla?
Yeah.
Ah, thank you.
Guys, go here. They're not there. For $1, this should be $1,000.
Oh man, it's too much. So I think this is one of the busiest areas here in Singapore because of a lot of products or items that you can buy from the Bugis shopping malls. So meron doon, and then meron din dito. We were thinking to eat there kanina sa Albert Hawker Center. However, wala. Most of the stalls or shops are already closed. So limited na rin ang options. So we've just decided to call it a day and just go straight back to our hotel. Malapit na yung hotel namin dito, so we're just gonna walk. So alright guys, so that concludes our vlog for today. Thank you so much for tuning in. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe if you haven't. And also share. So thank you so much, guys. Bye.